Today I am going to be using the ORS Curls Unleashed Temporary Hair Color Wax. Now, this is my first time using it. I don't know what my hair is going to look like when I get done, but let's go ahead and get started. So it says wear gloves, use an adequate amount, and run it through your hair. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty blue color. Okay, so let me go ahead and take my hair out. And I am going to be using stretched hair from my Twade out. I'm going to link that video below if you haven't seen it so you can see my results. So I'm going to take those same sections that I did. This is what I'm using right now on this section here. And this is what it looks like on my hair now. I am going to apply and then I'm going to do a twist out. I'm just going to twist it. I'm not going to go all the way up to my roots because I don't want it all the way to my roots. It can be close, but I don't want it all the way up there. So this is what it looks like. So what I realized in putting this in my hair is I needed some on my roots because when I do my twist out, you know, I put more product on my roots so my hair can lay down. So I just added some more and I basically used the color wax as a style. So I'll come back after my hair finishes drying and we'll see what this looks like. Alright, so I am back. It's been a couple of days and let's take my scarf off. So as you can see blue here on my scarf, and this is what I have on the scarf. So I don't have any blue on my pillowcases, no nothing, in case you were wondering. And this is what it looks like. Now some of it is rubbed off some, so but let's take it out. Now my twists feel like hard, but I think it's because there's beeswax in the product, so I think that is contributing. But I mean, up front here it's kind of defined, and in the back it looks like some of it has come off. So now just me doing this to my hair, this is what's on my hands now. So let me take it out and we'll see what it looks like. And this is what my hands look like with half of my hair out. Okay, so let me put some pins on the front of my hair. So it does wipe off fairly easy. And now what I can say about this product, obviously blue is not a color that I would just walk out on the streets in. Oh, this is what my hands look like. So what I can say about this product, my hair does feel soft. My hair is very, very defined. Very defined. This is what the back looks like. And I would definitely try this product again, but I would use a different color because I'm not going outside with blue hair. Some people might, but to each his own. Not me, but I really am enjoying how defined it has my hair. Very much so. It kind of felt a little cakey, like really hard and like crunchy, like almost like clay when I first took it out, but now that it's out, it feels a whole lot better. I really do love the definition. So this is what it looks like. And I like it. The color isn't too bad. I guess it depends on where you're going. But some people like blue hair, and if you like blue hair, then wear your hair blue. Don't bother me. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I'm doing another video, which will be every single week. Let me know what you want to see next. I think I may do a video on how I get this out of my hair. We shall see. Alright, bye.